उधर ही होगा. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Xfinity Error Code RDK-03004 activation, signal and Coax troubleshooting. Fix 1. Check for outages. Before messing with wires, verify if there is an issue in your area. You can check for service interruptions on the Xfinity Status Center or directly through the Xfinity app. Fix 2. Check your connections. A weak or lost signal from a loose cable is the most common cause of this error. Ensure all coaxial cables, the thick cables with the pin in the middle, connected to your TV, box, modem, and wall outlet are finger tight. If you are using a signal splitter, try removing it temporarily and connecting the coaxial cable directly to the X1 box. Fix 3. Power cycle. Restart your TV box. Unplug your TV box from the electrical outlet. Wait at least 10 to 30 seconds and then plug it back in. And allow a few minutes for the box to fully reboot and re-establish its connection. Then send a system refresh. If a simple reboot doesn't work, try refreshing your system's authorization and network settings. Open the Xfinity app on your mobile device and then navigate to Device Health or Services section. From there, select the option to send a system refresh signal to your TV box. Replace damaged equipment. If the error still remains, the issue could be a bad coaxial cable, an old splitter, or a defective cable box. Inspect your cable for a sharp bends or damage. If the box itself is faulty, you may need to take it to your Xfinity store locator to exchange it for a new one. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.